Everyone, let us solve this Olympiad Maths problem. Very easy. So this says that square root of y plus y is equal to 2, and our target is to find the value of y. Now, the best thing to do here is to isolate terms. Let the radical stay at the left-hand side and the other terms be at the right-hand side. So this is the same thing as saying square root of y is equal to 2 minus y. Square root of y is equal to 2 minus y, right? I move the y to the right hand side, it turned to minus. So now the best thing to do is to square both sides. You can say square both sides. The essence of squaring both sides is to ensure that the square root goes away. So we'll have square root of y all squared is equal to 2 minus y all squared. Now, from here, the square will cancel the square root, leaving us with y equals 2 minus y multiplied by 2 minus y, right? So from here, we can open up the bracket to have 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times minus y is minus 2y, minus y times 2 is minus 2y, and minus y times minus y is plus y squared. So y is equal to 4 minus 2y is minus 4y plus y squared, isn't it? Now, if I like, I can write the right hand side first before the left hand side. So I can say 4 minus 4y plus y squared equal to y, right? Now let me collect like terms. I will have y squared minus 4y. The y coming here turns to minus y plus 4. Everything is equal to 0. So that y squared minus 5y, because minus 4y minus y is minus 5y, plus 4 equal to 0. This is now a quadratic equation which we can solve either by factorization or completing square method, or even by the use of quadratic formula. But I feel that factorizing it will be the fastest method to find the values of y. So you have to ask yourself, what two numbers will you multiply to get this 4? And when you add them, you get minus 5. What are the two numbers? The two numbers should be minus 1 and minus 4, because minus 1 plus minus 4 definitely is minus 5. And again, minus 1 times minus 4 will cancel out, you get 4. So the two numbers should be minus 1 and minus 4. So we have y squared minus 4y minus y plus 4 equal to 0. So factor out y. We have y into y minus 4 minus 1 into y minus 4. Everything is equal to 0. So y minus 4 is common. You factor it out, remaining y minus 1. Everything is equal to 0, right? So from here, either y minus 4 is equal to 0, y is equal to 4, or y minus 1 is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. We've gotten the values of y, but sometimes we do have extraneous solutions in our equation. So we need to verify if these two values satisfy the equation. The original equation says square root of x square root of y plus y equal to 2. Now when y is equal to 4, let's see what will happen. We'll have square root of 4 plus 4. Can this be equal to 2? Square root of 4 is 2 plus 4. Can this be equal to 2? No. 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 is not the same thing as 2, meaning that x equal to 4 is not a solution. But let us check for when y is equal to 1. So when y is equal to 1, what happens? We'll have, when y is equal to 1, we'll have that the square root of 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Square root of 1 is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Perfect, because 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, the only value of y should be equal to 1. And this is the solution to this problem. So if you've enjoyed what you watched, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you for viewing, and may God bless you. Bye.